Water heater maintenance is one of the most significant yet ignored things in your home. The lifespan of the average gas hot water tank is approximately 8 to 12 years, with electric it is approximately 10 to 15 years. If your hot water tank has come to the end of its days and you are shopping for a new one, there are some things to consider. Keep in mind that water heaters account for 20 or more of an average home's annual energy bill. My advice would be to look for an Energy Star label on any hot water tank you are considering. This label will give you the annual cost to operate that unit. A big plus to replacing your unit is energy efficiency. You should also consider how many people are living in your home before making your purchase. If you have a larger family or constant guests, you may need a larger capacity water heater. If not, then a traditional 40-gallon tank should be sufficient. Water heaters can be responsible for up to 1/3 of greenhouse gas emissions in the average home. A simple way to reduce those emissions, as well as your energy use and costs, is to install a solar water heater. They operate by gathering and focusing the heat from the sunlight, an even more reliable way of warming up water for your home. However, in winter there sometimes may not be enough solar heat gain to deliver sufficient hot water. When you have plumbing and drain cleaning concerns, rely on Aruzel's Mr. Rooter. Call 405-399-0935.